In today's digital world, protecting sensitive data is crucial. Encryption tools offer a powerful way to safeguard your data from prying eyes. We'll explore 5 popular file encryption tools, explain how they work, and guide you through using them effectively. First up is VeraCrypt, an open-source tool that creates encrypted containers or encrypts entire disks with enhanced security features. VeraCrypt supports AES, Serpent, and Twofish algorithms and allows you to create hidden volumes for added security. To use VeraCrypt, download it from veracrypt.fr, then select Create Volume to set up your encrypted file container. Next is AxCrypt, a user-friendly tool perfect for encrypting files on the go with strong AES 256 encryption. AxCrypt integrates with cloud storage platforms and is available on multiple operating systems. To use AxCrypt, download it from axcrypt.net, install and drag files into the AxCrypt window to encrypt them. BitLocker is a built-in encryption feature for Windows users, providing full disk encryption. It uses AES 128 or AES 256 encryption and is integrated into Windows Professional and Enterprise editions. To enable BitLocker, go to Control Panel, then select your drive and follow the setup wizard. Next is NordLocker, a user-friendly tool with both free and premium versions, using advanced encryption algorithms. NordLocker offers secure cloud storage and is compatible across platforms. To use NordLocker, download it from nordlocker.com, create an account, and drag files to encrypt them. Cryptomator is a free tool designed for cloud storage, encrypting files before uploading them. It works with cloud services and offers an easy-to-use interface. To use Cryptomator, download it from cryptomator.org, create a vault, and sync your encrypted files. Lastly, GPG4Win, a free encryption tool ideal for encrypting files and emails using the OpenPGP standard. It supports strong encryption methods and works with Microsoft Outlook for email security. To use GPG4Win, download it from gpg4win.org and generate a key pair for encryption. Encryption protects your sensitive data from unauthorized access. Use tools like VeraCrypt, AxCrypt, and BitLocker to secure your files. For more information on these tools, visit their official websites. Like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Which encryption tool do you use or plan to try? Let us know in the comments.